At TME, we design and build equipment for the offshore, dry bulk, asphalt and concrete industry. Each project is unique and meets individual customer requirements. Mechanical engineers translate customer requirements into a practical concept design, which is further detailed, optimized and validated. The design drawings are then translated into 2D component drawings, assembly drawings and bills of materials to prepare for fabrication. Located just steps away, our in-house fabrication facility processes more than 12,000 tons of steel each year. It enables us to deliver under great time constraints with short and reliable lead times. Ultimately, an idea is brought to life when all components are assembled on-site by our field technicians. The entire process is supervised by project managers to ensure delivery on time and within budget. So, what have we created? Dedicated equipment used for preparing and installing offshore wind farms. Equipment to rid the oceans of plastic. Attested high-performance installations for the dry bulk industry. All components of an asphalt plant and complete turnkey concrete batching plants. Every project we execute is one of a kind. If it has not been built before, then it can be built by TME.